So now to get this to look exactly right, we need this either to become a heading 1 tag, and the link needs to be removed, and then we need to hide this version of the title, or we need to hide this version of the title and somehow get this title in line with this right content block. And that's going to be pretty hard, so we need to focus on getting this title here to look right and hiding this title. So Panels comes with a feature, you may have noticed it. It's a configuration option on the panel page that allows us to hide the title. Let's give that a try. So I'm going to hover over the panel here and click on the cogwheel and click Edit Panel. And you see the title type here is manually set. So if we click that and we click No Title, and then we click Update and Save, the title will disappear from the top. So that's great, except for it also removed the title from the title meta tag. And so if you look at the tab here where the title would normally display, it just has the name of our site. It doesn't have the name of the page. And that's going to be a problem when it comes to search engine optimization. Having a good title tag is really important. It's what displays in search engine results and also gives a search engine a huge indicator as to what this page is about. So that's not something we want to sacrifice just for the look of this page. Luckily, there's a workaround for this, and that's by using a module called the meta tags module. With the meta tags module, we can specify what we want to display for the various meta tags, and by default, the meta tags module sets the title to display the normal title of the page, and that will override Panels. So we'll get the title in the title meta tag, but we won't get it in this default heading 1 tag that displays on every page on a Drupal site.